Hey guys, thank you for watching TENGU Japanese lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to count and write numbers 1 to 100. Once you remember the rule of counting numbers in Japanese, you can write and you can count numbers 1 to 100. Right, let's start. 天狗日本語講座。それでは行ってみましょう。Let's start. TENGU Japanese for beginners. TENGU 日本語講座を始めていきましょう。As I said, today I'll teach you how to count and write Japanese numbers 1 to 100. First of all, you need to understand how to count and write Japanese numbers 1 to 10. In Japanese, there are kanji which represent word for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? But first, you need to now count and write 1 in Japanese. We say 1, 1, 1. In kanji, we just write a single line. 1. And count and write 2 in Japanese, we say 2, 2, 2. Double line, just in kanji. 2. Very easy, right? And how do we say 3 in Japanese? 3, 3, 3. In triple line, in kanji. Now, how to count and write 4 in Japanese? We say 4, or we can say 4, 4. But when we count numbers, we say 4, 4, 4, 4, as in like she, 4. And when we say 5 in Japanese, we say 5, 5, 5. What about 6 in Japanese? 6, 6, 6. And 7 in Japanese, we say 7, 7, or 7. Or we can say 7, 7. But when we count numbers, we say 7 or 7. Right? And 8 in Japanese, 8, 8, 8. And 9 in Japanese, 9, 9, 9. And finally, 10 in Japanese, 10, 10, 10. I will say that 1 to 10 again in Japanese very quickly, okay? And just repeat what I said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Okay, now, how to count Japanese numbers 11 to 99. Once you remember how to say 1 to 10 and how to write 1 to 10 in Japanese, you can basically write Japanese numbers from 11 to 99 because they are formed by combining two numbers. For example, to count and write 11 in Japanese, you just need to combine 10 and 1 in Japanese. 10 and 1. Once you know how to write 10 and 1, you just need to combine 10 and 1. In Japanese, 11, 11. What about 20 in Japanese? You need to combine 2 and 10. In Japanese, 2 and 10, 20, 20. What about 30? 30. What about 50? 50. Right? So that's not so hard. Now, can you see the pattern? The numbers 11 to 19 are made of 10 plus the relevant unit. For example, 11 is 10 plus 1 equal 11. And 15 is 10 plus 5 equal 15. So 11 and 15. 11. 10 is 10 and 1 is 1. 11. And 15, 10 and 5. 15. Right? Now 20 is made of a 2 in front of a 10. 20, 20. You just need ni, which is 2 in Japanese, and after that you just need to add 10 in Japanese, which is 10. So 20, 20. And 50 is also made of a 5 in front of a 10. 50, 50, 50. So if it's 60, 60, 60. If it's 90, 90, 90, 90. Q is 9, so 90. 9 and 10, 90. Now remember the order like this. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 10 equal 20. 20. You then add a little bit unit to make 21, 22, 23, and so on. For example, 21 is 2 plus 10 plus 1 equal 21. And in Japanese, 2 plus 10 plus 1. 21. 21. If it's 22, 2 plus 10 plus 2, which is 22. 22. Okay? If it's 23, 23. 23. 23. If it's 24, 24. 24. And now, in this case, 4, which is 4 in Japanese, as I said, we can say 4 in Japanese, 4 or 4. But when we combine the numbers, we say 4, right? Which is a bit difficult, but once you remember that, it's not so hard. Here's a question for you. How to count and write 49? Can you understand that? The answer is 49. 4, which is 4 in Japanese. 4 plus 10 plus 9. 49. 49. Okay? If it's 39, 39. If it's 29, 29. 29. 29. Right? What about this number? 78. 78 in Japanese. What about in English? Which is 78, because it's 7 plus 10 plus 8. 78. 78. Okay? Okay, now, how to count and write 100 in Japanese? In Japanese, we say 100. 100. And in kanji, we write it like this. 100. 100. Okay? Now, as you can understand, if you can remember how to write and say 1 to 10, you can basically write 11 to 99. And also, you just remember 100. In Japanese, you can say 1 to 100. Right? It's not so hard, but now you just remember 1 to 10 and combine the numbers to write 11 to 99, and just remember 100 to write 100 in Japanese. Okay? That's it for today. And before you go, please subscribe TENGU Japanese email newsletter and get free Japanese lessons, textbook, and audio files. You can also watch the free Japanese video lesson, which is not uploaded to YouTube. You can watch this Japanese video lesson to learn how to speak Japanese for real communication. And I'll put the link in the description box on the YouTube, or click the link below. Thank you very much for watching. 天狗日本語講座をご覧いただきありがとうございました。それではまた次回。さようなら。